Every healthcare professional and organization should always look at their purchases as investments. The Tempus will provide a long-term solution for patient monitoring and delivering life-saving medical attention. There are currently many options for defibrillators and monitors on the market. Many of them are priced below the Tempus. However, not all of them boast the dependability, strenuous testing, mobility, and compact size of the Tempus. The Tempus system is interesting from the EMS point of view. The Tempus Pro can perform all functions essential to patient monitoring while delivering accurate therapy treatment. While the system does not combine all the monitoring and therapy functions into one unit, it's hard to compete with the size and versatility of this system. The Tempus LS can deliver 300 shocks at max charge on one battery, or maintain regular use on one charge for over 10 hours. End users can extend this normal battery life using the battery saver mode. Both the Pro and the LS boast a very sturdy case design. The systems were developed for military use, having undergone rigorous impact and extreme temperature testing. The unit is also water and sandproof, as long as the capnometer cover is secured. The Tempus is a great platform. Regular preventative maintenance and cleaning are the best ways to extend its life. The Tempus battery is among the best and the most dependable available. The Tempus has very in-depth testing and calibration. These are attributable to the functionality of the unit. The Tempus has standard calibrations, such as CO2, IBP, and NIBP. However, it requires deeper testing than most monitors or DEFIBS. For example, the ECG function requires a USB file to be saved of the readings from each lead. These must then be examined to verify correct ECG readings produced by the calibrated test equipment. The Tempus has an excellent service manual. It includes step-by-step instructions with pictures, and everything is labeled or numbered for ease of reading. The Tempus is a sizable investment on the front end, but very maintainable. Here at Renew Biomedical, we have nothing but good things to say about the Tempus. It's very well designed and extremely durable. It also comes with excellent warranty coverage. The preventative maintenance for the Tempus is a bit longer than most monitors and DEFIBs. Every function has an extensive calibration procedure to ensure state-of-the-art monitoring accuracy. The manual has detailed instructions for the entire PM process and extensively covers every parameter. The PM process for the Tempus is very similar to most other DEFIBs, but with a few additional steps. PMs are essential to maintain accurate calibration, ensuring the unit delivers precise patient data to medical personnel. On top of its other features, the Tempus also has full connectivity, with ability to connect to multiple networks. It has a camera that can take photos and also recordings. All captured images and patient data can be transferred upon patient delivery. The Tempus also allows healthcare providers to customize their care. For example, if the provider only needs patient monitoring, they can carry the Tempus Pro and take advantage of its lightweight and compact design. This model also has an online support system that allows reviewing patient data to be collected by EMS personnel before the patient arrives at a medical facility.